on, Jenny. Come on, let's go outside. Let's go outside. Come on. Let's go outside. Yes, let's go outside. Come on, guys. Outside. Come on. Come on. Come on, outside. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Okay, stay inside. It went out in about 2 seconds. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go get her. Come on, Jenny. Nope. Okay. We'll run around here. Go get your squirrels. Go get the squirrels, Scott. Any squirrels today? Nope. No squirrels today. Maybe Jenny wants to come out now. Maybe the other dog wants to come out now that she thinks we're going to be outside for a while. Yana's over there. Starting to rain. Better go do your stuff. Oh. Okay. That's it for today. No, you're biting his ear. You always bite his ear. That arm tastes like chicken. Oh, and there's a somersault. Okay, let's go in the house now.